We'll guide you through how to manage tasks in Notion using the most up-to-date methods and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Notion on your desktop and go to the page where you want to manage tasks. You can start by creating a new page or open an existing one. Once you're on the page, click on the Add a Block option, which is usually indicated by a plus sign. Then in the menu that appears, scroll to find the database options and select Table to create a task management table. This will allow you to have a structured way of organizing your tasks. You can name your table something like Task Manager to keep things tidy. Now, in your table, you'll see columns like name tags, due date, and status. You can customize these columns to suit your needs by clicking on the column header and selecting the Edit Property option. For example, you might want to change tags to priority or add a new column for assign to if you're working in a team. Populate the table by entering tasks into the rows. For each task, you can assign tags, set due dates, and update the status as you progress. You can also use filters and sorts to view tasks that are urgent or assigned to a specific person. This makes it easy to keep track of what needs to be done and prioritize your workload. If you want to add a bit more functionality, you can use linked databases or create templates for recurring tasks. Simply click the three dots in the top right corner of your table and select Create Template to make a reusable task format. This way, you don't have to start from scratch every time. And there you have it, a simple guide to managing tasks effectively in Notion. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.